Hi, this is Kevin from stickerboy.net. Today I'm going to show you how to get clean corners. And from this installation, we intentionally left large wrinkles. So the first thing to do is lift the corners up. We're going to be pretty abusive in this, and we're going to destroy the corners even more. You can see the fingernail marks. I'm going to squeeze it even more, put a wrinkle, a fold. Why not? Let's put it on there. So the best thing you want to do is heat the corner, not from the top, but on an angle at the table. And you want to let the corner flip up. Then you press to the left and press to the right. You want to divide it by pressing right in the middle, and then when you divide it in two, you can work with the left one and the right one. So here's corner number 2. We're going to stick it together, we're going to wrinkle it, we're going to mangle it. It looks pretty bad, doesn't it? So what we're going to do, heat it from an angle, let the air hit the table and push that corner up. When you see it flipping up like that, that's when you know it's ready to press right in the middle. Then left side, then right. Divide it into 2. Okay, it's clean. It's better than ever. Now here's corner number 3. Okay, let's be very abusive on this corner. I'm going to destroy it. This is not what you would do on a regular install, but I'm going to destroy it, stretch it. Okay, that looks really bad. Looks like it's ready to get ripped off and thrown in the garbage, but this is what you do. Heat it against the table. As soon as it softens up, you'll see it evenly flipping upward. In the middle, left, right. It's easy. Now this is the 4th corner. With this method, we're going to show you what not to do. You do not want to heat it from the top because it will just let the whole corner sag and give you a harder time trying to divide it in the middle. So here it is, watch. If we heat it from the top, now you get a bigger wrinkle on the other end. So it's not worth it. Now we got to fold and it's stuck to each other. So we're going to separate it. So look at that. Looks pretty nasty. But now hit against the table. It's flipping upward in the middle, to the right and to the left. And now we have perfect corners on all 4 sides. It's easy as that. Thank you.